In the vast expanse of the cricketing universe, where every stroke and every play is a brushstroke on the canvas of history, one name shines brighter than the rest: Mahendra Singh Dhoni. From the dusty cricket grounds of Ranchi to the grand arenas of international cricket, Dhoni's journey has been nothing short of epic. With every stroke of his bat, he painted masterpieces of resilience and determination, turning the game into a canvas of his own creation. As captain, he didn't just lead his team. He orchestrated symphonies of triumph, each victory a stroke of brilliance in his illustrious career. Off the field, his heart was as big as his legend. He showed us that true greatness lies not only in victory, but in the kindness we show to others. As the final strokes are laid upon the canvas, let us remember the masterpiece that is MS Dhoni's legacy, a legacy of inspiration and greatness. Thank you, MS Dhoni, for painting the canvas of cricket with your brilliance. Your legacy will forever be etched in the annals of sporting history.